even though it was very nice, there's been a spectacular change. It's far from the city at the first time, but the facility has improved. It has expanded. There is a new sanitarium, spacious, and the accommodation is very good. It's very nice. Enjoy the quietness and the togetherness of the workers and myself. It's been a very nice place now. It's something that can compare with other facilities that are not maybe in US or anywhere. It's quite good. Not at all, because the buses that are applying this place, they are aware of Ojudo bus stop, and even it has changed a lot. There's a new road that immediately you get there, you find out that you know that there's a lot of improvements in the environment or in the community. So it's not difficult to locate this place. So far you know Ojudo, and anybody you ask around, they will always tell you to go up. So it's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. Very easy to locate. It's incomparable. There's quietness, there is peace, fresh air, no hustle and bustle of the city. You sleep well, you wake up well to the sound of the birds, the crickets and everything. So it's incomparable. It's a place that, maybe people should be coming to have the touch of the country, and be restful, because in the city there's no rest. Even if you are not working, the coming and going of people disturbs. So it is good. It's incomparable to the city life.
Jesus paid it all.